today, I guess you can tell by the thumbnail, I've got my son in the video today. We are going to talk about a couple of my favorites of the month and some upcoming videos that I'm planning. And also, we are here to thank you for the 1,000 subs. So, if you want to see the video, just keep watching. Glow Tarts doing today. I hope everybody is well. This is my son Logan, and if you are new, my name is Mandy, and welcome to the video. I had to drag him in here. I mean, it just took a few days to convince him, but he's here. But we wanted to thank you for getting us over the 1,000 sub mark. We just cannot tell you how much we appreciate it and love each and every one of you. I just absolutely love that the Glow Tart family is growing bigger and bigger every day. I've got a couple of favorites for the month. This one. This is actually my oldest son. You have already met Mason, which is my youngest son. He has been in a couple of videos, but this one is a little bit more shy, so I don't know if we can convince him to talk. We're going to try it. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So guys, today I'm going to show you a couple of my favorites of the month. I mean, these are the stuff that I use every day. I mean, I go through so much makeup all the time. Do I not? I mean, tell them. I really do. I go through makeup like crazy.
Sits in here all day doing it.
Well, my first favorite, and I know this is no surprise to y'all, this is going to have to be the Jaclyn Hill palette. Y'all know I have done tutorials and everything else using this palette. I just absolutely love it. And I do have a lot of palettes, but I find myself grabbing this just about every day. Next thing you know, and you've seen this on all of my favorites, is the Tart Shape Tape. Still a favorite of mine, guys. A new favorite, though, is the Palladio. Is that Palladio?
I would say.
Okay. It's Palladio Rice Primer. Now, this is a mattifying primer. It is mattifying and perfecting. This is perfect for pores. I absolutely love it. I've been using this. I dab it actually on my pore-prone areas. My next favorite, and this is from the Eliza Naturals company. These are the cleanser papers. This is the new technology. There is foam, there is liquid soap, there's all kinds of stuff, but this is the first papers that I have seen that you get them wet, they turn to foam, and it melts your makeup off. I absolutely love this. I've only had this for a little over a week, but I have been using it day and night. This is probably going to be in my next yearly favorites. That's how good this is. Upcoming videos I've got planned. I've got some collaborations. I've got a few more videos that I'm going to talk my kids into getting in the videos with me. I want to do a couple more challenges and tags and Q&As. I absolutely love to do a Q&A. If I could get them both on here to do it, that would it would make my day. And of course, guys, you know I will be putting out tutorials like crazy. I've got eyeshadow tutorials. I've got makeup for mature skin. I've got a video that I'm planning to do on how to hide those pesky pores. And also acne prone skin. I've got so many tutorials I got in mind. I just got to start getting them out. So guys, get ready for those. I'm probably cutting that out, but I did just burp, guys. So I don't know if I want y'all to see that or not. So that's probably going to go. And again, guys, we want to thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. And like I said, if it wasn't for y'all, I would not be here. I've been doing this for a little over 6 months now. I just love that y'all come and watch my videos and let me bore you to death every other day, just about. Not unless I got a big video and then it's kind of a 2 videos a week, maybe.
Or she accidentally deletes one of her videos that she's supposed to post in a day.
Oh my gosh, guys. I did not tell y'all about that. Yes, I worked for 2 days on one of these videos and I deleted it and I looked at him and I was like, I just deleted the whole video. But yeah, of course, you know you're going to run into problems like that. Guys, I love each and every one of you, and I appreciate it so much. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to be watching for my upcoming videos.
What?
Say bye.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. I love you, and I'll see you next video. Bye. So if you want to see the video, I've got a couple of favorites for the month. This one here. I kind of push it in.
Oh my god. Bet it kills, don't it?
Yeah, it does. I forgot what I was going to say. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
She says that that's her favorite and all, but that is mostly just because of the fact that she can't even open it half the time.
Probably so. Guys, he's down the tree.
What?
So, of course, you know there. Of course, you know there's going to be those tutorials, so we will be getting them.
You should put that in the video. You should put that in the video, bro.
I'm probably cutting that out, but I did.
I'm honestly legit. Sounds like you should like start your own laser tag team.